Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to play a song on YouTube while using other apps. Let's get started. First, open your YouTube app and play any song or music video. Now, if you try to leave the app, YouTube will stop playing unless you have a YouTube Premium. This is because background play for music videos requires a premium subscription. To get this, open your App Store or Google Play Store and download your YouTube Music app. And once installed, open it and start playing your favorite song. You'll need an option for a 2-week free trial of YouTube Music Premium. Enabling this will let your music continue playing in the background even while using other apps. And after the trial ends, you'll need to subscribe to keep using that feature. And that's it. That's how you can use a YouTube songs while using other apps. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.